Today's lesson we are going to learn that how can we subtract the fractions with unlike fractions like denominators, right? Now for example, let's consider this example here. If you're going to have 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8. So over here, this you all need to see that we have the denominators 2 and 8, right? Both are unlike, right? Now in such type of fractions, we need to see that which one is the smaller one. You all can see very clearly that this 2 is smaller than 8. So we can make the smaller denominator equal to 8, right? We can make this smaller one equal to 8 by just multiplying, right? So we can multiply, we have to think of any number that you multiply by 2, so it will become 8, alright, or it will become equal to 8. So you all know that 2 is how many times 8? The 2 is 4 times 8, so multiply 2 by 4, and you're going to multiply the numerator also by the same number. If you're multiplying denominator by 4, so multiply numerator by 4. Now you're going to rewrite this fraction. So 1 4s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, and copy down the other fraction 3 8. So 4 8 minus 3 8. Now you see the denominators are equal in both the fractions. We have 8 and 8, so we are going to just subtract the numerators, okay? And when you subtract numerators, 4 minus 3 is 1, so your answer is 1/8. Alright, first thing that you will do is to change the smaller fraction, and you can make it equal to the bigger number, and then you're going to rewrite the fraction, and then you're going to subtract the numerators when you have same fractions, right? For example, here there's one more example I'm giving. 2/3 minus 1/6. Now over here we can make this smaller fraction 3 equal to 6, right? So we can multiply 3, by which number you're going to multiply, you will get 6. You're going to multiply this by 2, so you're going to multiply numerator also by 2. So this will become, rewrite this fraction, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So 4 6 minus 1 6. Now you have same denominators, so we're going to subtract only the numerators. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and your answer is 3/6. Alright, now in the next question we're going to understand that how we are going to also reduce the answer in the lowest term. Alright, we will do the subtraction first. We're going to make the new fractions same, the equal fraction, and then subtract them and give your answer in the lowest term. Write the answer in the lowest term. You have 5 6 and 1/3. You all see that 3 is smaller, so we can make 3 equal to 6 by multiplying it by 2. So multiply 1 also by 2. Now you're going to rewrite this fraction. 1 2s are 2 and 3 2s are 6, and copy down 5 6 as it is. Alright, now 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 6 is not your final answer. Now we have to reduce the answer. Alright, we have to reduce the answer in lowest term. So for reducing the answer, we need to see that do these two have a common factor? 3 and 6, do they have a common factor? Can we divide both by the same number? Yes, we can divide both by 3. So we can divide both by 3. So you're going to get answer in reduced form. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So your final answer is 1/2. After reducing it, you will get your final answer, that is 1/2. Let me explain you one more example here. Now if you are going to have 2/5, let's write it as 12/5 minus 3/15. Okay, so we can make now 5 equal to 15 by multiplying it by 3, and 12 times 3 you're going to multiply. So 12 times 3 is 36 and 5 times 3 is 15. And then copy down the other fraction, 3, 15. So you have here, let's change this one. I need to change this number here. Wait. It's going to be 215, right? That's not 1215, it's 215. Okay, so 2 5. All right, now we are going to rewrite this. 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15, and then we are going to subtract it. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 3/15 is not your final answer. After this we are going to reduce it. So to reduce it, we are going to see that we have by which number we can divide both the numbers. We can divide both by 3. 3 is a common factor of both numbers, so we can divide both by 3. So you will get 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So your final answer is 1/5. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.